Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ring and notification volume panel, and just to adjust ringtone volume we should swipe to the left or to the right side. That's white dot. Also, you can do it by the second one. Just first be sure that in volume button control function you have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press up or down volume button we can see that we just successfully changed ringtone volume of our device. And also we can do it by the third way, just by swipe to the up or to the down this volume button with our volume panel with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.